Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I will show you how to avoid pop-ups on Android so you can browse safely without annoying interruptions. I'll guide you step by step. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open your safe browser like Google Chrome. This is where most pop-ups appear, and using a trusted browser helps prevent unwanted ads. Step 2. Tap the 3 dots at the top right. This opens the menu where you can access all browser settings and options. Step 3. Tap Settings. This section contains all the controls for privacy, security, and site behavior. Step 4. Scroll down and go to Site Settings. This is where you manage permissions for websites, including pop-ups and notifications. Step 5. Scroll down and tap Pop-ups and Redirects. This option shows whether websites are allowed to show pop-ups on your phone. Step 6. Toggle on Don't Allow Sites to Send. Enabling this blocks pop-ups and keeps your browsing experience smooth and safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful Android tips and tutorials.